Hello everybody, welcome back again. I'm Joey.
Hi, I'm back.
This is Maria. We're back out here again today making another video for you, and today we decided to come out to a little special spot. The locals know about this place and it's probably been aired to death, but we wanted to come back out here. This is our second time that we've come back out here, and it's a special place and it's called Seven Magic Mountains. So guys, this place is located about 7 to 10 miles. I think it's 10 miles, right? Is what it said, 10 miles? 10 or 11 miles outside of Las Vegas. And actually, Las Vegas Boulevard is right here, and this is the interstate that runs straight into Las Vegas, so you can't miss it. It's off on the right-hand side if you're coming into town. But yeah, you know, this is the second time that I've actually come out here and taken a look at this place, and I'm trying to figure out for myself what it means. I understand where, you know, where the artist, at least what he claims it means, and the artist's name is Ugo Randononi. Okay, he's a Swiss artist, and he started this project back in I believe it was 2015. He got approval to come out here and do this, and it took about a year for them to carve up all the rocks, gather all the stones and put it together, and then eventually they had their debut where they opened up this area in 2016. So let's have a look at it. Tell me what you guys think. A little bit of a montage that Hugo left for us here to come in, enjoy it, leave the place clean just like any place else that we go. And then as you walk in, you'll get a little bit here of the history of how this place was put together and the type of contributions and funds that was put in place to make it happen. What you guys think? I'm gonna go ahead and shoot up the bird so you guys can get an aerial, you know, viewpoint and vantage of what this place looks like. And let's go ahead and continue on with the story. So in 2015, Ugo Randononi decided to come out here and do some artwork. He has renowned artwork in New York, and he wanted to do something out here in Las Vegas. Now these colors, I know you guys are thinking, Joey, what is up with them colors? Well, in his own words, he says that these colors are supposed to represent his feelings as to what he sees when he comes out into the desert. He claims that, you know, the blues are for the sky, you know, the white, the clouds, they got the green, you've got the dirt, you've got the mountains in the back, there's the Gene Dry Lake bed, which is right out here. And then he says a lot of these other colors here are supposed to depict, you know, the cars and so forth that are out here behind us, you know, the rigs that are going in and out of Las Vegas, the cars, the streets. And every one of these colors is supposed to pull a piece from that. And it's supposed to be a mixture or a transition between, you know, nature and the artificial. So there's 7 of these pillars out here, okay? And there's 7 of them, and they are about 30 to 35 feet high at its tallest point. Now I know you guys are wondering how these things are actually stacked. And how they're actually stacked is that they're cored out. I have a little video footage of how this stuff was put together and how they actually gathered the rock, cut it, and cored it. I'm gonna go ahead and put that up for you right now so you guys could have a check and take a look at it. Also to note, the $3.5 million that was funded in order to make this thing happen was actually done all by contributions, and the largest contributor was the ARIA Hotel and Casino. All right, so you've seen the real 7 Magic Mountains. Here's the kids' version of the 7 Magic Mountains. Alrighty guys, so back to the story, right? So in 2015, Ugo Randononi had an idea that he wanted to come out here and make this piece out here in the middle of the desert. And with approval and cooperation of the Nevada Museum of Art, they were able to get it approved. And they started this thing cutting and gathering these blocks. in 2015, and then in 2016 they finally came out here and had a grand opening for this piece to come out. And it was supposed to be slated, it's only out here for 2 years, okay? So it was approved to last for 2 years, and it was supposed to come down in 2018. However, they petitioned for it and they wanted it to stay up a little bit longer, and they were able to approve it to last for 3 more years, and it was approved to stay here till 2021. Well, 2021 has come and passed, and it's still here. And there's been no talk about removing it, and I frankly don't see why they would want to remove it, because, well, it costs $3.5 million to actually put this thing together, cut the blocks, transport it all out here, stack it up, set it up, and it's just out here in the middle of nowhere, guys. You know what I mean? It's like you have to take a 10-mile ride from Las Vegas Boulevard, take 10 miles going out the state line, and as you can see, there's just absolutely nothing out here. And then all of a sudden, off on your left hand side, you're going to go ahead and have this sitting out here. So I believe, why do you have to remove it? I mean, unless this area is going to be you know, unless somebody's going to come buy this area and build on it, which I don't see any reason why they would. Since it's way the heck out here in the middle of nowhere, it's going to cost them a good amount of money to tear it down and take it away. And as long as people come out here, and you know, you got tourists that like to come out here and take a look at it, I think it'll stay here for a while, because I sure don't want to spend my tax dollars to come out here and tear this thing down if not necessary. But as you can see behind me over here, literally on a daily basis, you're going to have at least 1,000 plus 2, 3, 4, 5,000 people a day will come out here and come take a look at this place, because it's just odd, you know, like why, you know, why? I mean, I've come out here and I've taken a look at this, and I've asked myself, why? You know, a bunch of colored rocks out in the middle of the desert. I guess why not? I mean, that's something that's going to be special to the actual artist. And for those that are into abstract art, stuff like this means something different to different people. And I guess for right now, all I can do is just appreciate that it's out here, and appreciate all the families and the children and the people from around the world that are coming to base that want to stop out here and, you know, enjoy nature. This is just like a structure, you know, from a city structure. And it's just out here in the middle of nowhere. And I think that's the meaning that Hugo was trying to capture, is trying to combine the artificial and the natural. And I think he's done a good job with that. Alrighty guys, so that's all I have for you on this short little one here out at 7 Magic Mountains. And Maria, got anything to say? This is your second time that you've been out here.
Yeah, it's nice to be back with you guys.
What do you like most about this place? Is it magical when you come out here, or what?
Magical, awesome, with all those colorful rocks on top of each other.
There you go. So anyways, guys, I want to go ahead and close this one out here. Thank you again for coming out. This is Joey with Vegas D-Tech. If you found any of this information beneficial, useful, or even entertaining, do me a kindness and hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell if you like videos like this, so that YouTube knows that you like videos like this and they can send my videos out to your home screen as soon as I get them recorded. So guys, again, Joey, Maria, out here, 7 Magic Mountains. You guys be well. We'll catch you guys in the next episode. Take care now. Bye.